If you ever have a great idea but didn't know how to explain it in English, this video is for you. Yo, Cho, what's good, man? It's your boy FCJ. So today's video is a new topic, simple video. How to communicate your idea in English. How to communicate your idea in English. And I just simplify the step. I be honest, I'm learning English through a simple program, and today I want to share with you one method that really helped me to communicate my idea more clearly, and I'm speaking like and I'm native. They understand why I'm saying so like that. Like I say, English is not my first, second, third, fourth language. Is my four. I think it's 4, 5 languages. Yeah. So today I registered in the 4 simple steps to simplify that. So the first step, you just have to simplify and say one clear sentences. Just one clear sentences you have to say, and the second you prove, and one example you just prove that, and one example. So simple, and you connecting with emotion. And the last one, you just have to tell a story about it. Just tell quick story about it. Just tell quick story like and like they understand you. So I wanna let me show you my own example for that. My idea. So my own example for that is like I take example like a learning English. So I learning English every day. Every day I learning English, and I'm enjoy the process, and I'm really happy for that, and I'm do that like a fan. I'm enjoy that. So it make me happy. It make me feel good. What I would say, yesterday at 9, I go in the bathroom. Sometimes I'm just take my phone, and I'm connecting in the I'm just connecting in my damn. I have to look the word. My handphone. I just connecting in my handphone, and I'm in the bathroom, and I'm listening that, and I'm listening, and I'm like, oh, you listening the podcast in the bathroom. In every time I listening the English podcast everywhere, and I'm sometime while I'm going to the gym, sometime while I'm in the gym, sometime while I'm going to the walk, sometime during my walk, every time, anytime. So for me, it's not just 20 minutes. It's not just like a 20-30 minutes, And second part, you just have to start. I study 20 daily minutes. So that's proof. You study 20 minutes daily. So that's proof you learn English every day. And the second one, you give the emotion. I feel proud when I do it. Yeah, I feel proud when I'm do it. If you proud to do something, you have to do, you do that like you don't stop it, and you don't struggling, and you don't freezing. Now you just do that, but because you like it. You do that because it make you good. You do that because he make you feeling good, like, and you do that like a fan. So it's like that. Why I'm saying everything you do, if you do something like you like it, you do something in your heart. It's not just about people seeing you, people talk about you, and people judge you. Now you do that because you like it to do. He make you good. Like I say, every time he give you smiling. You're smiling a lot, and when you do something you like it, you just do that, and you enjoying to do that. It's simple. So on the last one, just tell one story about it. So the story about it is, I told my friend about my routine, and you start to learning too. So that's simple, and just that. So now I want to hear from you, my friend. I want to hear from you how you explain your idea in English, and why the comment, and let's practice together. Bye.